Good morning. I'm making this video and I'm calling it "Why Won't My Circuit Work?" Because as you're working on these simulators, you might run across some issues, and I'm not going to be right there to answer your question. So first of all, let's put the simplest thing out there. That's a battery. Now you'll notice that the battery has two circles on either end. These are called junctions, and I want to connect a light bulb to my battery. Now you'll notice that this here light bulb also has two junctions. Your goal is to, when we're making circuits, is to make a complete loop from junction to junction. You're like, oh, it's not lit up. It's not a circuit yet. So we need at least one more wire, and this can just be this. Now notice, I connected the first one to the side of the bulb, and this one's going to go to the bottom of the bulb. Boom, there we have light. That's a circuit. Now what I need to do is I need to, oopsies. Right there, that was cutting it. That's an important task right there, being able to cut your circuit up as you wish. Sometimes you might accidentally do this. Oh my gosh, I just lit my battery on fire. This is called a short circuit. You have a path of no resistance, and so the current is really high, and you have a fire. That right there might be one of the biggest things that we see happen with these circuits. Now, once our circuits become a little more complex, so let's go on the side of the bulb, let's go on the bottom of the bulb, connect to here. Now, sometimes people accidentally do one of these deals. And you're like, well, that bulb is lit up, but this one is not lit up. Well, because that bulb needs both junctions connected in order to light up, and so that's an issue. I keep right-clicking when I just need to click on it. And so you got to have both in there. That's another problem. Another issue that we sometimes see, let's grab another battery here. Another issue is sometimes people will do one of these deals where you have the batteries facing each other somehow, and oftentimes if you are perhaps having wire between your batteries, it's easy to lose track of directions, and you're like, well, why isn't it going? I have batteries. Well, because you got positive pushing on positive. Well, that's not going to work. You got to have, I believe you can flip direction. You got to have positive to negative for it to flow. And for any activities we do, if you're running the voltage or something, and you see that it's negative 9 volts or positive 9 volts, that doesn't matter. It's 9 volts. It's just a direction at that point. Other tools that we need to talk about, this is a voltmeter. So we can see what is the voltage, and we got to put it on a junction. What is the voltage between these two pieces? Oh, it's 9. And here, it's also 9. But if we go all the way over here, and then back down to here, 9, where's the right junction? Ah, here it is, 18 volts. And so it really does matter where you put the probes for the voltage. Now the other thing I want to show you is the ammeter. They're not giving me a non-contact ammeter. I really like the non-contact one. Oh well, we'll put this one right into the circuit. So if you want to see where the current is, what's our current, you can just plug in right here, and you can plug in right there, and you can see what the current is. But an ammeter has to be in the line, whereas a voltmeter can touch the outside connectors. I hope that's helpful to make in a basic "why won't my circuit work" situation. I will make further videos for further labs though.